What we're going to demonstrate is the ballistic pendulum. So what we've got here is a projectile launcher. It's just a spring-loaded launcher, and we're going to put a ball bearing in there. Now we've got a pendulum here with a catcher at the end, and here we've got an angle marker. So when we fire the ball bearing into the catcher, it will force the pendulum back like that, and then we can measure the angle on this scale here. So this is using conservation of momentum. Momentum before equals momentum after. What we can do is we set the marker at 0 and we release this projectile launcher, and the ball bearing will get fired into the catcher. And we've got an angle of 36 degrees. This is the method they initially used to measure the speed of a bullet coming out of a gun. They'd had a box full of clay hanging by a rope, and they'd fire the bullet into the clay target, and they'd measure the angle of the deflection of the rope, and then they could work out the velocity of the bullet as it hit the clay target. The approximate equation for the velocity of the ball bearing is given by this equation here. Vb, velocity of ball bearing, equals big M over little m. Big M is the mass of the pendulum, little m is the mass of the ball bearing, by the square root of 2g. G is gravity, R is the m, so that's the rate, that's the length of the pendulum in centimetres, times 1 minus cos theta, where theta is the angle of the deflection of the pendulum. Here we have the close-up of the apparatus. So we've got the pendulum here pivoting about this point up here. We've got this angle scale marked here, so that measures the angle from the vertical. So I moved it 35 degrees there, and we just got a little stem here that just pushes the marker along here. That reads the maximum angle, and it gets deflected. What we've got here is the launcher. So we can put the ball bearing in the launcher. We'll zero the angle here, so that's the pendulum's vertically positioned due to gravity. We'll release the ball bearing, and as you can see, we had an angle of 37 degrees measured there. We can we haven't got the pendulum loaded up as much this time, so this is the short range launcher position, so we'll measure the angle now. As you can see, it's only about 12-13 degrees, so that was less velocity, so therefore the angle is smaller. We also got this plastic ball here. Obviously the plastic ball bearing is slighter than the metal ball bearing, so we'll get a different angle, and therefore we only get about 10 degrees there, so less mass, so we expect a small angle of deflection from the pendulum.